Hello friends, in this video we will learn all about concrete and abstract nouns. So let's get started. For understanding concrete and abstract noun, we need to remember our senses. Which are our five senses? We touch through our hands, we see through our eyes, we hear through our ears, we taste through our tongue, and we smell through our nose. These are our five senses. Now, first, let's understand all about concrete noun. What is a concrete noun? A concrete noun is a noun that can be identified from one of our five senses. It may be through hands, tongue, ear, eyes, or nose. Let's understand concrete nouns with examples. Would someone please answer the phone? In this sentence, the noun phone is a concrete noun as we can touch it and see it. What is that noise? Even though noise can't be touched, the noise be even coming from several places. We can hear the noise. So, it's a concrete noun. The dress is very pretty. The noun dress can be touched and we can see it also. So, it's a concrete noun. Now, look into this example. There is a snake in the grass and I hear a rattling noise. Here, how many concrete nouns are there? Think about it. If you observe closely, three concrete nouns are there: snake, grass, and noise. I hope now you are clear on concrete nouns. Now, let's look into abstract nouns. Let's understand all about abstract nouns. What is an abstract noun? It is a noun that cannot be identified from any of our senses. It defines quality, state, or action of a subject. Let's understand abstract nouns with examples. He was rewarded for his bravery. Here, bravery cannot be identified from our senses, but it refers to the quality. So, it's an abstract noun. Laughter is the best medicine. Here, laughter cannot be identified from any of our five senses. However, it denotes the action of a subject. So, it's an abstract noun. My childhood was awesome. Here, childhood cannot be identified from any of our five senses. It denotes the state of a subject. So, childhood is an abstract noun. Now, look into this example. Beauty and intelligence are her best qualities. Here, how many abstract nouns are there? Think about it. If you observe closely, three abstract nouns are there: beauty, intelligence, and quality. I hope now you are clear on abstract noun. Now let's look into this example. My mother is having her birthday in May. Find the concrete and abstract noun here. Here, mother is a concrete noun, while birthday and May are abstract nouns. I hope now you are clear on concrete and abstract nouns and how to identify them. Let me give you an exercise to validate your learning. Identify whether the highlighted nouns pen, phone, honesty, and policy in the sentences are concrete nouns or abstract nouns. I will share the correct answers in a while. The correct answers are on your screen now. I hope you would have given the answers correctly. You may pause the video and verify your answers. Let's quickly revise what is a concrete noun and abstract noun. A concrete noun is a noun that can be identified from one of our five senses, while an abstract noun is a noun that cannot be identified from our five senses. It defines quality, state, and action of a subject. That's all. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. Now we are on Facebook and Instagram with the handle Nihir Shah English. So please do follow us there as well. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.